Have you ever wondered, who was the very first person on Earth?
Many people think there was one single first human, but science tells a different story. Humans didn't suddenly appear overnight. We evolved slowly over millions of years.
Our species is called Homo sapiens, and we appeared around 300,000 years ago.
The earliest Homo sapiens fossils were discovered in Africa, especially in Morocco.
But there was no single first person. Humans were born in large populations. Evolution works through generations, not one sudden birth of a new species. The first human is really a gradual transition from earlier ancestors.
Before Homo sapiens, other human relatives also walked the earth.
Neanderthals lived alongside us and even shared DNA with modern humans.
So instead of one first person, there were communities evolving together.
Scientists define species by genetics, not by naming one individual.
If you traveled back in time, you wouldn't meet the first person, just early humans.
Over thousands of years, these humans developed language, tools, and culture.
Eventually, Homo sapiens spread from Africa to the rest of the planet. Every human alive today shares ancestors from these early populations.
So the truth is, humanity has no single starting person, only a long evolution story.
The first humans weren't one individual. They were an entire species becoming us.
And that makes the story of our origins even more incredible.
If you enjoyed this journey into human history, subscribe for more science mysteries.